In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a bank statement into Zoho Books seamlessly. Zoho Books is an excellent tool for managing small business finance, providing a straightforward and efficient interface for handling accounting tasks. Importing a bank statement into Zoho Books is a crucial step, particularly if you want to ensure that your financial records are up to date and accurate. This process will help you keep track of all your financial transactions more efficiently. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Zoho Books. Open your internet browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. Once you're on the home page, sign in with your credentials. If you're already logged in, this step will take you right to your dashboard. Your dashboard is the command center where you can access various features of Zoho Books, and it's designed to give you a quick overview of your financial standing. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the banking section. This is where we manage all bank-related activities. Click on the Banking tab and you'll be directed to a page that displays a list of your bank accounts that are linked to Zoho Books. Here you can view recent transactions, balances, and more. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section if you aren't already, as it forms the basis for managing your bank transactions in Zoho Books. In the top right corner of the banking page, you'll notice an option labeled Import Statement. This is a crucial part of the process as it allows you to bring your bank statements into Zoho Books, integrating them with your existing financial data. Click on Import Statement to proceed. This action opens a new window where you'll have the opportunity to upload your bank statement file. When it comes to uploading, ensure that your bank statement is in a compatible format. Common formats include .csv, .qif, and .ofx, which are widely supported by most financial institutions. It's essential to check and save your statement in one of these formats before uploading it to make sure that the import process goes smoothly. With your file ready, hit the Upload button and select the bank statement you wish to import from your computer. Once you've selected the file, it will begin the importing process. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a few moments. During the import process, Zoho Books will read your bank statement and prepare to integrate the transaction seamlessly. And there you have it. The import process is complete. Now your bank transactions are part of your Zoho Books data, allowing you to review them as part of your regular accounting routine. This update will help keep your financial records accurate and current, easing tax preparation and ensuring you have a clear picture of your business finances at any given moment. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on using Zoho Books.